We don't have one 55-gallon barrel.
We don't have any 55 gallon. We don't have any. We got all 35s.
I don't know how. You probably have to get up here to operate.
I'm already
We
today.
ain't doing a good job of taking care of Bob. So if anything happened to him, the camp would be in jeopardy. We need to put him in a little rubber pit in there. They're gonna hit the bottom of the. That's why we did the 55.
Oh, we got a 55. We don't got a 55-gallon barrel up there, do we?
Oh.
It goes sideways.
It ain't gonna stay. Give me another one. We got additional strap. Well, no, we don't need.
How many barrels needed to be replaced on this one?
That should be it.
Well, we figured 3, but
We didn't know that those weren't. That was bone dry.
Yeah, I think we're good, aren't we?
one right there.
That's bone dry. Yes.
Which ones did y'all think were bad?
It had a we knew this one was. We thought that one. There was a barrel here and it sunk.
Okay,
It's
so
out
that
there.
was the 3.
Bob, that is. Got to be electrician. There got to be a lineman to let it down. It's a one-way horse. Right there, or on this strap right here. It keeps coming up. It can't get to go down. I think you're supposed to see a doctor for that.
After 4 hours.
Y'all got to back up. I knew I should have left my wallet in the truck. I'm gonna get
my cell phone.
Other way, Ryan. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You know that.
Other way, I think.
I went the only way it would go.
Get that, Grant. Swing it again.
What's the Hollywood for? Give me that.
I don't know. Seven foot.
As the back of the bench.